How to hitchhike solo. Essential tips for safe and adventurous travel. Hey, our fellow adventurers. Are you a backpacker looking for a new adventure? Do you want to meet new people and experience new things? Then hitchhiking might just be the perfect way for you to travel. Hitchhiking is becoming increasingly popular among young travelers, and for good reason. Not only is it an affordable way to get around, but it's also a great way to meet other travelers who share your sense of adventure. But let's face it, hitchhiking can be risky and potentially dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Have you had a negative experience with hitchhiking? Share it with us in the comments below. In this video we'll be sharing some essential tips to help you stay safe and hitchhike efficiently. So pack your bags, grab your sign, and get ready to hit the road. Adventure awaits. 1. Choose your location wisely. Find a spot with good visibility and plenty of traffic. Avoid hitchhiking on busy highways or in areas where it's difficult for drivers to stop safely. 2. Dress appropriately. Wear comfortable practical clothes and avoid anything that could be seen as provocative or offensive. It's also a good idea to wear bright or reflective colors. 3. Make a sign. A sign that clearly states your destination can help attract drivers who are heading in the same direction. Write the name of your destination on a piece of cardboard or paper and hold it up for drivers to see. 4. Be friendly and approachable. Smile, wave, and make eye contact with drivers to show that you're friendly and trustworthy. This will help put drivers at ease and make them more likely to stop for you. 5. Be patient. Hitchhiking can take time, so be prepared to wait for a while before a driver stops for you. Don't get discouraged if you're not picked up right away. 6. Stay safe. Always be aware and trust your instincts. If you feel uncomfortable with a driver, don't get into their car. You should also let someone know where you are and where you're headed. 7. Have a backup plan. It's always a good idea to have a backup plan in case you can't find a ride. Bring enough money for a bus or train ticket or have the number of a taxi service handy. 8. Travel light. The less baggage you have, the easier it will be for drivers to accommodate you. Try to pack only what you need for the trip and avoid carrying bulky or heavy items. 9. Be respectful. Remember that you're asking for a favor, so be polite and respectful to the drivers who stop for you. Show your appreciation by thanking them and offering to help with gas or other expenses. 10. Pay it forward. If someone gives you a ride, offer to buy them a meal or give them some gas money as a way to show your appreciation. You can also pay it forward by offering rides to others in the future. Hitchhiking solo can be an exciting and rewarding way to travel, but it's important to take precautions and stay safe. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you feel more confident embarking on your next hitchhiking adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy hitchhiking and see you in the next video.